Trying to get this weeded out today. It was super overgrown, like everything. It's kind of a nice day today. You get sun, you get the rain, bit of cloud, but right now it's pretty nice. You dogs, get out of there. Hey, Rio. There's Rio. Hey, buddy. Good boy. How are you, buddy? Thanks. There he is. There we go. You stay away from that road, Zoe. Yeah, so I'm just picking away at this. Got this little tool there at a garden sale garage sale one time. There's some guy that had all these tools. Anyways, works kind of good. Weed it out a bit. There's that tree I planted the other day and the 3 trees I chopped down. So we got 2 apple trees. That one's a year older. There's Zoe, Riv. Probably end up moving the van today too to cut the grass under there, but we raked all this out this morning. Looks a lot better. And still this goddamn mess over here, but we got the front right now at least. Probably run the mower over here too. But there's my jacket. I can do I threw it somewhere. Up here it's cleaning up nice backyard. Cleaned it up, cut the lawn or whatever, and raked it all up in here. And I'm just working on trying to clean up some of these gardens. They're so overgrown. That palm's bit the dust. So I'll probably be through. Oh, look at that. Probably be putting another fruit tree in where that palm was. Here's the, we planted that one last year too. This one could use some work too, eh? I gotta get some sod, I guess, or not sod, some mulch. Bark mulch. Clean that one up a bit. Guys, cut it out, eh? My other tree. This one too. Planted the other day. It's growing nice, looking good. We gotta water these today because it's full sunshine. Look at these. Whoa, growing big, eh? Yeah, everything's growing nice. But in the meantime, I'm just working on that. Hey, girls. How you doing? You new bird. You're a new bird. You're fitting in nicely. You're the only one that does. The other 3 are stuck together. Hey, Frizz. Mr. Frizzle. Good looking boy. The Frizzle gene. Hey, beauty. Yeah. So, come on up here. Check it out. I should bring the rake up here and break this off. Cut it back a bit. Whatever. Cut the whole thing down. But I always say to myself, where's Zoe? And then there she is right behind me. Here. It's nice up here today. Really full of life, eh? There's the mountain. Hey guys. Okay, let's get back to doing that monkey tree. So that looks a lot better. I don't have any bark mulch right now, but maybe I'll get a bag. Do up some of these when I gotta do a thing up for that too, but I think we'll move the van, cut the grass there, get that path going, maybe park it up a little bit further, get her done.